What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing a simple method on how to sketch a human eye. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'll be demonstrating this lesson using this 2B Styler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing we want to do is add some guidelines to help us build up the basic symmetry and proportions of our drawing. So let's start by sketching a line coming down the center. Starting from the very top, just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's move back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we want to use these two lines to help us create a large circle in the center of the page to define the size of the eyeball. So from here, we're going to step up towards the top to right about here. Let's mark out the top of our circle. And I want to measure this distance from this mark to the center down towards the bottom. So right there. And then we'll repeat this across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right side. And now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. Just going to lightly work our way around, starting with the top left. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. You can come back and just smooth this out after. We want to make sure we capture the right size and placement in the center of our page. Now with our eyeball in place, let's draw a smaller circle in the center for the outside edge of the iris. So we're going to repeat that same step. We're going to go up towards the top to right about here. Take that same distance down towards the bottom. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line. And again, just connecting the ends with a curve. Let's bring this in a little bit closer on the right. Now I want to add one more smaller circle in the center of the iris for the pupil. I'm just going to skip the step of adding those points. We're just going to trace this around, just leaving an even space all the way around. Now from here we can define the shape of the eye. Now with the tear duct on the left side, I just want to bring this down lower than the outside point. So from the outside of our circle, it's going to step out and then down. To right about here, it's going to mark this off. And then over on the right side, we're going to step out and mark that off. Now we're going to lower the eyelid so it clips off the top edge of the iris. So right about here, we're going to step down to right about there, mark that off. Now let's take this point, it's going to curve the eye, going up, in towards that mark along the center. Go across and then bring that down towards the right. Now the bottom of the eyelid, we're going to bring to the bottom edge of the iris. So right there, go back to the side, come down, across, and then bring that up. Now that we have the basic shape of the eye, I'm going to go back and clean this up by erasing some of these guidelines. Now with a rough sketch in place, we're going to use this as a guide to help us layer on some more detail and refine the shapes. Let's start back at the tear duct. I just want to bring this in. So just taking out that top curve, going up towards the top of the eyelid, round this out and go across. I'm just going to modify the shape over on the right, just coming out and then down, round this out. I'm just going to pull this in and then down towards the bottom. And you can modify the shape as much as you want. I'm going to bring the tear duct around and in, bend that back down towards the bottom of the eye. Define the edge of the tear duct, round up the side. Now on the top right side of the eye, we're going to add a square for a highlight. So we're going to bring this down, go across, and then back up. We're going to come back and modify that shape after. Let's add a fold across the top of the eye. Going to follow that curve going up, go across. That's going to bring this down on the outside. Let's add another fold on the outside. Also adding a fold along the bottom of the eye, and then fading that out. Now we're going to go and start adding some contrast to our drawing, starting on the left side. And at this stage, it's all about observing the shapes and forms. So just working our way across, just along the dark edge of the eyelid. I want to correct the shape of our circle going around the iris. Just smoothing that out, coming down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to modify the shape of that highlight. So it's going to curve the sides and the bottom. And I'll tuck the pupil in underneath. So going around that highlight. And I'm just going to darken up the center of our pupil. Go back to the tear duct. I'm just going to add a few little highlights along the inside edge and around the inside corner. Just going to add a medium shade going around those highlights. And I'm just going to fade that as we come in towards the eye. Just going to blend out the edge. Just going to darken up the top. Now around the perimeter of the iris, we're just going to darken up the top and then fade that in towards the pupil. So just a gradual gradient coming in, and we want to go around that highlight. Add a curved reflection along the top of that highlight. And it'll darken up the top. Now this is the eyelid reflecting back inside. And you want to add some lashes curling across the bottom. So you want to see the silhouette of these lashes going across that highlight. Just going to blend this out on the top of the iris. Add a shadow underneath the eyelid going across the top of the eyeball. I want to fade that out. I'm also going to add a highlight coming in. Just going to lightly shade in the outside. A few veins coming in. And then from the perimeter of the iris, we're going to pull these short little lines going up and in, aiming towards the center of the pupil. Just adding this little texture around the perimeter. Just going to add some texture going around the inside of the pupil. I'm going to move to the side edge of my pencil and just add some shadows going around the eyelid. Just from that seam, I just want to round this out. And then in between the eyelid and this fold, I'm just going to lightly sketch out a line. This will be the edge of the lashes going in. Just going to go across and then out. Let's go to the bottom. Starting down here, going in between those folds. Just going to lightly add this guideline for the lashes. And then working across that line, we're going to add the lashes. And we want to curl these up and then out towards the right. Now as you come in and across towards the left, so bend these up towards the top and pull these in towards the left side. You can also use the side edge of my pencil to just enhance those lashes. And do the same thing across the bottom. You want to space these lashes out a little bit further. Again, just bending these out and then down towards the right. As you get closer to the end, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows and detail, and always be sure to start my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a human eye. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week, where I'll show how to draw simple things just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.